Garage lights on, hood up wide, everything exposed, nothing to hide. Front end strip bolts on the floor, pieces laid out like a war. Ready to hit a bent, brackets gone, headlight housing hanging wrong. Cooler lines cracked, pressure lost, every part now got a cost. Hands already covered in grease, no clean lines, no quick release. This ain't plug-in, this ain't easy. This is learning, now we'll bleed it. Devon leaned on the two-chest side, didn't say much, just watch me try. Like she knew what this would take, like she knew I wouldn't break. No shot, no help, just tools and self. Front end, rebuild, piece by piece. No shortcuts, no release. Every bolt, every line, gotta earn this one this time. Front end, rebuild, hands stay cut. Frustration building, but I don't give up. If it broke, then I'll restore. That's what I came here for. Pull that bumper, frame still straight. Lucky break could've been fate, but everything else took the hit. Now I gotta rebuild all of it. You two paused on step 3. Does that bolt even match this piece? Trial and error, reach too tight. Strip one thread, now fix that right. Time don't move the same in here. Minutes feel like hours disappear. Back and forth from parts to fit. Guessing what connects to what legit. Devon finally said, you see it now. Wipe my hands like, yeah, I know how. This ain't about just turn the key. This is knowing what's underneath. Break it, learn it, build it, earn it. Front end, rebuild, piece by piece. No shortcuts, no release. Every bolt, every line, gotta earn this one this time. Front end, rebuild, hands stay cut. Frustration building, but I don't give up. If it broke, then I'll restore. That's what I came here for. Parts coming in, boxes stacked, new pieces where the old ones cracked. Slowly starting to look like farm from chaos back to something warm. Every clip, every mouth, every little thing counts. Nothing here is throwaway. Everything got a role to play. I stepped back, looked at that front, still not done, but I saw what I want, not perfect, but getting there. Something rebuilt with actual care. Devon smirked like not bad work. Tap the fender, you earned the dirt. I laughed like yeah, it cost me time. She said yeah, but now it's mine. I shook my head like nah, that's me. She laughed back. We'll see. We'll see. Grease hands, late nights. This ain't love, this is built. Front end, rebuild, piece by piece. No shortcuts, no release. Every bolt, every line, gotta earn this one this time. Front end, rebuild, hands stay cut. Frustration building, but I don't give up. If it broke, then I'll restore. That's what I came here for. Anybody can drive some crazy. Not everybody can bring it back from broke.